We are now seeing our new car. That's a really nice blue. See you.
Nice car over here.
Welcome back to another PLM video. Today we are getting another brand new car here at Honda SF, and we are very excited. This is the car that we're using to pick up our new car here at Honda SF. Here's the car that we are purchasing today. Honda brought this car back after 25 years, y'all. 25 years. And here it is. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright guys, we are very excited about this build since we are the first ones to own a 2026 Honda Prelude here in the Bay Area, and Boost Blue as well. Now if I could be wrong with this, if I'm not, we definitely are the first ones to own a 2026 Honda Prelude here in the Bay Area. The back of this Prelude is actually pretty huge. I mean, it's a 4-seater car, I believe. Not too sure if you want to put 2 more people in the back, really, but now I love that brand new car smell, guys. Oh my gosh. Unfortunately, new Preludes did not come with any manual transmissions, but it's all good. We're not really tripping out about that. But other than that, this car is definitely solid. I definitely love the stitching on this tooth. These cars came with a 2.0, and it is a hybrid motor, unfortunately. But there's so much things that we could do in this car. I do know we already have some parts for this 2.0 hybrid.
It looks good. It's just the wrong engine.
All right, guys. So we are now gonna drive. This is going to be our very first one. This is going to be our first start as well. So this is the transmission for the Honda Prelude 2026. I just have to find. Definitely feels and smells so good here. There's power right here. All right, so we just pressed this S Plus right here. Still a hybrid, but it's pretty much using the engine. And this is the first start. Yeah, we definitely have to do something with that exhaust. We need to do something with that exhaust. But the car feels so luxurious inside, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let me fix the camera real quick. I actually thought this car is very tight inside, but I'm actually wrong. So this car actually is pretty spacious inside. I like it. It has full tank of gas too, which is really great. I'm gonna do the Sport, obviously, because we're PLM. Hi, well, I'm waiting for him, man. Thank you once again. Yeah, thanks. See you. Frank drives the GT3 on the way back to the office. We're gonna go drive. We're gonna press this button right here for the drive. Bye-bye, guys. This is our first drive in the 2026 Honda Prelude. So this is my very first impression of driving the Honda Prelude, or 2026 Honda Prelude. The car definitely feels comfortable, but not really, if that makes sense. This Prelude is really giving me a good impression when it comes to braking and overall, I guess, the driving of this car. It feels very weird having no shift, because I'm really used to it when driving manual transmissions. I'm used to like having a transmission right here, but this is like push button only. So press neutral, drive, park, reverse. That's really about it. Look. All right. We're definitely going to do something with that exhaust, guys. Replace the exhaust into our very own PLM exhaust, and this car will sound way better than the stock exhaust that Honda made for these cars. All right, guys, here it is. We didn't pay $43, unfortunately. We paid over that. But it's a Boost Blue right there. So it came from Japan.
And here's actually if you want to talk about the listed price.
Okay. Oh, wow. The dealer's asking price is actually $61,000. All right, guys. So now the car is back here at the PLM headquarters. Tomorrow, which you guys will be seeing the videos from the highlights of it. Tomorrow, you guys will see the dyno sheet numbers, the 2026 Honda Prelude. And we are gonna see how much power we really are making on this car right here. So if you guys are curious about this, I also am curious about this too. So we're gonna see how much power this car makes. I do believe stock power on this is like 200 something only since it is a hybrid. So it could be like 200 something only. But again, PLM has so much plans for this car, guys. We already have parts waiting for this car to be installed. So, but tomorrow we're gonna find out how much power this car is gonna make. We're gonna put this Prelude in a dyno and see how much power we're gonna make. All right, Ryan, so what do you think about the new 2026 Honda Prelude?
Honestly, it looks not that bad. I actually likes how it looks. The fact that it's hybrid makes it a great daily. In person, actually does look better than the pictures. I honestly doubted the pictures a little bit, but honestly, in person, that shit looks pretty nice. I like it. Like, I get Honda's point of this. Like, they're trying to target like older people for this car. Like, apparently these things are very popular in Japan right now for older people. But I do wish that they did spice it up a little bit. Maybe add like a manual, maybe a bigger engine, or not bigger. Maybe add a turbo, and go from there.